Malakas ang panawagan na suportahan ang mga produkto mula Canada at ramdam na raw ito sa ilang sektor. Gayunpaman, dapat daw paghandaan ang katotohanan na di kakayanin ng bansa na tugunan lahat. Naritong report.
Sales for American food products are down. You're essentially seeing Canadians enticing grocers to de-Americanize grocery stores.
Ramdam na ang suporta ng Canadian sa mga produktong gawa sa Canada sa mga grocery store. Matapos ituloy ni US President Donald Trump ang 25% tariff nito sa mga produkto mula Canada.
So in February, early February, sales for made in Canada, products of Canada have gone up by almost 4%. In a month, which is really significant in food retailing. But what's most interesting is the anti-American sentiment. So sales for American products at the grocery store have gone down almost 7% early February.
Suportado ng grupong Filipino-Canadian Chamber of Commerce Greater Vancouver ang panawagan na suportahan ang gawang Canada. Tuloy ang panawagan ng grupo na Buy Canadian, Sell Canadian, Grow Canadian.
Ang role ng consumer is to support local businesses. And ano ba yung role ng government dito sa nangyayari? The role of the government is to strengthen interprovincial trade. So sa ngayon siguro naman kaya natin maging creative. Kailangan natin siguro maging wise din. Because at the end of the day, you will realize if it's coming from the south of the border, it might probably costly.
Umaasa si Mendoza na matanggal ang mga balakid para mapadali ang palitan ng mga produkto sa mga probinsya at teritoryo ng Canada.
Explore alternatives. If you're doing business outside or buying raw materials from the south of the border, and then this is the right time for you to explore other provinces.
Bagamat maganda ang kampanya na maging pro-Canadian, ayon kay Charles Bois, di raw kaya ng bansa na tugunan ang lahat.
We can substitute pretty much anything. The question is, will these substitutes be affordable? And strawberries are a good example right now. Basically, you have strawberries from California that are essentially half price compared to strawberries from Canada.
Pinag-iingat ni Charles Bois ang Canadian grocers na wag ding abusuhin ang patriotism na ipinapakita ngayon ng mga Canadians.
I would argue that Canadian grocers are benefiting from this patriotism we see in the marketplace. Some people are actually boycotting Walmart and Costco. If you take advantage of that patriotism and you profit from that, that's immoral, especially when it comes to food. So I would be extremely careful.